How to withdraw money from Skrill. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw your money from your Skrill account. So as you can see that I'm in the official article page of the Skrill, and here the process of withdrawing the money from your Skrill account is mentioned. So in order to withdraw your money from your Skrill account, you need to go to the withdrawal section of your Skrill account and then click on withdraw now under the bank account and choose the bank account and just click on next. If you haven't have a registered bank account, click add a bank account to submit your bank account details. In some cases, you need to register bank account issues abroad in a different country basically. Enter the amount and click on next again. And depending on your country, you may need to provide additional details like your CFN and CNP number. You may be asked to verify your bank account if you haven't done so already. And once you're done, a summary page with all your withdrawal information will appear. To finalize your withdrawal, confirm the transaction by entering your PIN. Depending on your country of resident and the currency of your bank account, your withdrawal can be processed as a local or international transfer. If the local withdrawal option is available to you, you may ask to enter your local bank account details. For example, if you're from Russia, your first name, your middle name, and your last name. And this way you will be able to withdraw your money from your Skrill account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.